First, if you're
Hi guys, how are you all? Would you mind
Good.
if I get my please? 2 minutes, 1 minute. I'm glad because
From the
able to hear me, guys?
yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay, nice to know. How are you all?
Good.
Okay.
Good.
At the end of the class, we'll talk to your parents too. Okay.
Okay.
How was the homework?
Good.
No, not good. I, I heard Arjun had a hard time, so I really want to know who else had a hard time. I just want to know, guys. Based on that, we can go back and revise and go keep going. Was the fractions hard? In English, you
No,
tell me.
I did not start it.
You did not start, so you don't know. So good for you. Anybody else who started?
Yeah.
Because I posted. I have to admit this time. Usually that's not the case. Dave, was it difficult for you?
No.
Okay, how about you, Urvi?
It. I did some with two with my hard and most of them correct.
She had turned,
Okay,
she
so
turned in
you
the homework.
started. Is your
She
dad
turned,
talking?
yeah, she turned in the homework.
Okay, I've not yet checked because I gave time, right? So I've not yet checked their work. But was she able to do based on our discussion, or you
Yes.
needed to push every single bit?
No, no, no. We told her like one example and rest of the things she did for like each.
Okay.
So if you see the ones I wrote with my red one, the red ones I did it, and the blue ones all she did by herself. Blue and yellow she did by herself.
Just want to know because in general, was it hard? I have it. Okay, I have it. Okay. Okay. Hey, I did not see Raja's, right? Where is it? Where is yours? Oh, that's nice. She has done a whole lot. Okay. Wow,
Do
this
I
is
do?
amazing. Urvi, your homework is amazing. I clearly know what you did. Okay, that's nice. What, ma?
Okay, fraction.
Raja, did you do the homework or not? Just tell me if you did. If you
Uh,
didn't do, it's okay as well. I'm just asking.
I'm
uh,
almost done with last week's homework.
he's doing Priya. He completed 2 pages for the fraction. He's continuing today. Like it's a fractions homework, right, Priya?
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so
Yeah,
you're good with the
yeah. I
basics
have
of
to
fractions.
teach.
Okay. And Arjun Ram, how did you saw?
I got like I got a little help and then at the like I got a little help and then I got it.
Okay, you got it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and we will continue on fractions. That's why I was asking for that. Okay, let's see. Okay, I will know how wherever you are, we can go from there. Okay, I just wanted to know though. But who else I didn't ask? Vindyashi did not. Oh, Vindyashi did not touch. That's okay. That's it, right? Yeah, I did ask everybody. Okay. You know what? Oh gosh. Okay, there is one more kid, Isha. Maybe let her just, okay. I think she was there and then I did not ask her to come. Okay, let's keep going. This was from let me ask you a few questions, guys. I will know where we are, okay? I need that, you know. Okay, I'll do it for you here. Yeah, ma. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. You have to explain as well sometimes. You got it? You have to explain reasoning as well. Is the shaded portion a fraction? If yes, what is it? Okay. If yes, what fraction is it? Slowly you answer, okay? You have to think and answer, okay? Let me see, guys. There are 4 questions, okay? You know what? I wanted to I'll just bring some papers with me, okay? I have planned for something, so I have to bring that planning paper.
How many parts are there?
3. 1.
Oh, I'm so worried she will be a fan for Right, just kidding.
Your answers, guys. Oh, Urvi, can I ask you, all of you guys, okay? If you don't put question numbers, how will I ever be able to match your answer? Right? When you answer, you put 1 answer, 2 answer,
I
right?
put number 1.
That's good, Dave. Thank you, Dave. Yes, I saw. Thank you. But till you said that, I thought it was 1/3. Yeah, that's Urvi. That's really neat. Aha. The first one seems incorrect, most of you. We can go over that. Good job, Urvi, on the second one. Dave, I'm checking your answer. Good job, Dave, on the second one. You can continue with 3 and 4. Don't worry about mistakes at all. If you don't make mistakes, you should not be in the class. Yeah, Arjun Ram, the first one seems incorrect. Okay, I understood what was the gap. I will go over it.
Yeah. Yes.
Dave, very nice job, Dave. Okay, think about the first one, Dave. You're free now. Why don't you think about the first one? Why should your answer be incorrect? I'm saying your answer is incorrect. So why should that be incorrect? And what can be the cause of being that, meaning cause of your answer being incorrect? Think about it. Yes, Urvi, everything is right except the first one. Go for the fourth one, Urvi.
Yeah.
First one, we'll go over it, okay? First, you finish the fourth one. I just want to know.
See the 4th one.
You can see?
Now I can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, Vindeshri.
Which one is greater? This one or this
Vindeshri, first one is incorrect, ma. I think that needs to be explained. We'll do that. Don't worry about it. Go to the second, third one.
Yes.
Go to the 2, 3, 4 one.
Yeah, I think, see, if it is MYS, let's have conflict.
Arjun Ram, I know moms and parents are in meeting, so I'm going to mute you. Is that okay? If you don't mind. You have to
Yeah.
unmute and talk. Okay.
So this is wrong.
Okay, Vindhyashri, third one is correct. Go to the fourth one. Urvi, I'm checking on your fourth one. Fourth one is correct. But Urvi, for the fourth one, I asked you to say which sign will go. Which of the signs will go in between? You gave me a number. I don't know what that means, but I think you're right. Okay, I'm waiting. Arjun Ram, come on. Give me the answers. Raja, send me some answer, Raja.
Equal to.
You know, I gave till 46, right? Let me see.
This one.
Yeah, we really need to grind fractions and be thorough with fractions. Nobody can make us make a mistake on fractions. That's what I'm targeting you this week. Okay, let's see. We don't want addition, subtraction yet. Okay, we'll do this. Done. Purvi, good job. Raja, why Raja? Why the first is not a what no means what is the shaded portion? Okay, we'll go ahead and discuss the first one. Arjun Ram, I'm really waiting for your answer, Arjun Ram. Okay. 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 We'll go over some of these. Okay. Arjun Ram, I have to go over a couple of things with you. First of all,
You can't
Raja,
Oh, yeah.
just unmute and you have to talk, Raja. Why is the first one not a,
We
why
can't
this
make
is not a fraction?
Solluda. You just said, right?
we can't make equal parts.
Exactly. So for you to tell that this is one out of three, for you to tell that every part has to be equal. Are they equal? No.
No.
So this is not a fraction at all. You see, whenever you split one whole, the parts need to be exactly equal. You know, exactly equal. Can I say congruent? Exactly equal. All the parts should be exactly equal. If it is not, you cannot even call it as a fraction. This is a very major deceptive question. Deceptive means that can trick you question, you know. So this is not a fraction. Here, how to make one whole? Hey, Arjun Ram, how to make one whole out of this Arjun Ram? See, I have one whole. Let's say you have $1. Okay, 1/4 is 25 cents, right? Then how many more parts can make up one whole Arjun Ram? Question for Arjun Ram. How many more parts can make this one whole? What are the total number of parts? Arjun Ram, what's the total number of parts here?
4.
Hmm?
4.
4. So one part is here. How many number of parts are missing?
Since Mama is doing on all right, majority of
How many number of parts are missing?
3.
3 are missing. So 1 plus 3/4 is 4/4. 4/4 is 4 divided by 4 is 1 whole.
1.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1/2. You tell me, Arjun Ram, now. 1/2 plus what is 1 whole? Total parts are 2. You have 1 part. So how many more pieces should be joined?
And I think if I am right, she is.
How many more pieces should be added? Guys, how many more pieces? Arjun Ram, you tell me quick. You're all waiting. 1/2 plus what is 1 whole?
We are happy that.
1.
1/2 plus? Yeah, 1 piece. 1 piece out of how many pieces? You have to say it as a fraction, right?
2.
Yeah.
So 1/2 plus 1/2 is 2/2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 whole.
1 whole.
Yeah.
Yep. And 3/4 is bigger or 1/4 is missing, Arjun Ram?
And
3/4.
yeah, she is here.
Yep. 3/4 is bigger. So 3 by 4, crocodile open mouth. Crocodile opens in its mouth. It likes big numbers. Crocodile always likes big numbers. So you have to open its mouth and put it. Okay. Towards 3 by 4. Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay. Okay. Now I have 8 animals in a farm. I have 8 animals in a farm. Okay. 3 of them are sheep. Okay. 5 of them are hens. Okay. What fraction? I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. What fraction of the farm are hens? What fraction of the entire farm? Entire farm means total farm. Total comes down. The total comes down. Okay. What fraction of the entire farm is hens? Quick, guys. Please send it in chat. Quick. You can do these very quickly.
How many heads?
Good job, Vindhyashri. Good job, Arjun Ram. Good job. 5 out of Dev. Can you check your answer?
How many?
Urvi and Raja, I'm yet to get your answer. Quick, ma.
Oh, how many are there? Total, how many animals?
Tell me, see, what is the number of hens? See, always you say part by the total. That is a fraction. Okay, total is always bigger. Meaning whenever you write the part lesser number than the total, then it's a proper fraction. Proper fraction means it has to obey rules. What is the rule? The numerator. The top what you write is called the numerator. Arjun Ram, are you listening? Denominator. Right? So part is the numerator, total is the denominator. Urvi, did you get your answer? Yes,
Yeah.
I'm going to check yours. Okay. Raja got it. Good job, Raja. Good job, ma. So 5 hens out of the total of 8. You got it? Now, let's go ahead and try this one. I'm going to give you a hard problem, you know. Okay. What fraction is this? All of you, this is an easy one. Go ahead.
1.
1 now. What
1
fraction
by
is shaded?
2.
1 by 2
1
is
by
shaded. Good job. 1 by 2 is shaded. Good job. Okay, how about this? Okay, now. Wait, guys. That root is so small, you know. What fraction is shaded? That is a tough question. What fraction is shaded? You can send it in chat. Send it in chat.
1 by 3.
Good job. 1 by 3. Why? I can split the diagram, the hexagon that I gave you into 3 pieces. Okay, before I go here, right, I don't even know whether you guys know what is a hexagon. Let's first discuss that. You know what a polygon is? Who knows what a polygon is? Do you know what a polygon is? These are polygons, straight figures that are closed. Straight figures that are closed, right? So these are polygons. You got it? It should be straight. All the lines should be straight. Should be 3 or more. They should be closed. They should not have curves, right? Poly means many. Gon means angles. See, these are called angles. 2 lines meet, they form an angle, right? Many angles, they make it's a polygon. No curves. Now, a triangle means why it is called a triangle? Who knows why it is called a triangle? Why is it called a triangle? Why should we call it a triangle? Who knows? Dave, do you know?
Because it has a lot of angles.
That's true, but why,
It's
specifically
equal
what
to-
this means? Triangle. What
Equal
does that mean?
angles.
What does it mean? Tri means what, Dave?
means three.
Three angles. Do you see? That's why they call it a triangle. You got it? Yeah. Okay.
Triangle.
Okay. Yeah,
And-
triangle. Yeah, triangle. Gone means angle. Got it? Okay, I'm going to ask you this. Okay, what is this called? Pentagon. Why is it called a pentagon? Pentagon means pentagon. Why?
Five.
Gon means
Five.
exactly. Gon means angle. Pent means five. You got it? It makes up
Yeah.
5 angles. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, then who can tell me what this is called then?
Hexagon. Hexagon.
Exactly. Six. Six
I
means
know.
hex, right? So it's
Yeah.
called a hexagon. Then if I draw a stop sign, what is it called? A stop sign.
What?
You know what? I forgot to draw a stop sign. What is that called? What is a stop sign called? Do you want to know how many sides it has? How many sides it has?
8. 8.
8. Okay, so what can it be called? Now you know how to name them. Name them. You know what is 8. What is 8 called? You have come across
Octagon.
an yes, octopus. Octopus has 8 legs, right? Oct means 8. Octagon. 8 angles. You got it?
Yeah.
This is not, you know what? This is not going to be a part of your homework, okay? This is not going to be taught in school immediately, you know? But then 6 months later, I'll ask you all this. You should be able to remember. That's the intent of all these. You got it? We are only discussing fractions as a part of your school. You know, at the end of it, you have to be good in foundations. For that, you need to know all this. Why are they naming it? I should never name it incorrectly. Pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Then what is a nine-sided figure called? Nine-sided polygon called?
Nonagon.
Nonagon. Good job. What a 10-sided figure called?
Decagon.
Decagon. Good job. Dec means DEC. Decade. 1 decade is 10 years. Do you know that? DEC means 10. We work on numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, right? How many digits do we have? I already asked this question 2, 3 weeks back. How many digits do we have in mathematics?
3.
How many digits? Digits, guys.
No. No.
How many
9.
digits we have? Huh?
9.
Oh, who said that?
Me.
Oh, Vidyashri, you missed one important member of the family. Whom did you miss?
10. Oh, 0.
Ah, see, you got it. Zero is also a digit. Without zero, you cannot frame numbers, proper numbers. Think about it. Zero is such an important member in the family. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see here, this is also 10. We have only 10 digits that make up all the numbers in the world that you know of. Right? So since we use 10 numbers, our number system is called a decimal number system, DEC. See, we call it a decimal number system. DEC means 10. You got it? Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you know what are hexagon, heptagon, all that. Seven-sided, do you all know? What a seven-sided figure called? Seven-sided polygon. And a 12-sided polygon. Next week, I'll ask you when I meet with you. Let me see how many of you take the interest, Google, research and okay. Seven-sided figure, the 12-sided polygon card. Okay, you can do it later. Okay, how about this? Okay, let's see this. What fraction? What fraction should be added to 1 by 12 to make it one whole? You can shout it out.
11.
11, just 11. 11 is a number, it's not a fraction. Fraction means it has to have a numerator and a denominator. You cannot say 11.
Wow. 11 out of 12.
11 out of 12. See, this is a proper fraction obeying rules. The numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, let me ask you this. Is 5 by 21 less than 1 or greater than 1? What is 1 here? 1 means what? What should this fraction be for it to be 1? do you mean? You have to think. What one means what? How can I write one as a fraction? Who can tell me? How can I write one as a fraction?
16.
Whoa, that's right. But that was not the question. You understood the concept. I'm asking 5 by 21 is less than 1 or greater than 1 in the street. 5 by 21 is less than 1 or greater than 1. Think about a whole. A whole means how many? What is the total number of parts? If I talk about one whole, what is the total?
21.
21 parts it should have. So 21 divided by 21 is one whole here. You got it?
Yeah.
So 5 by 21 is less than a whole or greater than a whole? We don't hear you in this, Shri. Raja, you can tell me 5 by 21 is greater or less than 21 by 21? Tell me. Okay. Okay. You didn't understand this. Let's see this one. How about 2 by 5 and 3 by 5? Let me draw, okay? This is my one whole. I'm splitting it into 5 equal parts, right? I'm splitting up into 5 equal parts. This is 2 by 5, 2 pieces. Same, okay? 5 equal pieces I'm going to split. I'm coloring 3 of them. Which is bigger? Which shaded part is bigger? Come on, guys. Which shaded part is
3
bigger?
out of 5?
3 out of 5 is bigger. Good job. Is 1 by 8 bigger or 5 by 8 bigger?
5 by 8.
5 by 8 is bigger. You know better. 5 by 8 bigger or one whole bigger? Whole means what here? In this case,
One
whole
whole?
means,
One whole.
yeah, how do you know that? Because a whole is what?
8. 8 out of 8?
8 out of 8. You see? Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, great. How about, I'm going to
Yeah.
give you a tricky question. Okay, you know what? More than mathematics, right? You should know how to read. Okay, English becomes important most of the time because from English you have to change into mathematics. That's what is working on mathematics. Okay, how about this? There are 10 fruits in my fruit box. You're going to read. I'm not going to help you read. Okay. There are. Okay. You know what you're going to send it to me? What fraction of the fruit box? What fraction of the fruit box is oranges? Okay. Second question. What fraction is pears? Please don't get help. Whatever you know, you're going to send to me. Okay. Whatever you know only, you're going to send it to me, please. Okay. But you know what? This week you're going to catch up on the homework, finish, and send it to me. Okay. I'm going to give you more, but then you're going to catch up and finish. Okay. I know I posted late. I will try not to. Okay. I was traveling, so it made a mess. Go ahead. Raja, are you getting help or are you doing by yourself? You're doing it by yourself, but we are not able to hear you. But I was able to understand from your mouth whatever is. I'm not able to hear you. But then your first answer is not right, right? Second answer is correct. I am not sure how you got the second answer correctly, first of all. Yes, Dave, Dave, there are two questions, Dave.
Yeah, I'm doing the second one.
Thank you, ma'am. Perfect. Arjun Ram, very nice word. Arjun Ram, now everything fell in place, right? In fractions, much better, right? Urvi, I'm waiting for your answer, Urvi.
Huh?
I'm waiting for your answer.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay. Dave, the second question, what? Second question is not right. Dave, you're not reading I told you, right? Your English comprehension is very important for mathematics. Okay, nothing is related to math. Math-wise, you understood the concept, but you're not converting your English language comprehension to proper mathematics. Can you check? Please read the question aloud. If you didn't get it, mute and read the question aloud there. Then you'll get the answer for question number 2, Dev. Oh, did you do it correctly? What did I ask? What fraction appears? Hmm. Okay, Dev, explain to me how you got it.
Because the whole is 10 and there are two pairs, and 8 plus 2 is 10.
Or maybe let's work it out. Dev, I'll write for you. Go ahead and explain. Maybe you're right. What are you saying? Let's see. Go ahead. Yeah, explain. I'll now write down for you. Go ahead.
8 plus 2 is 10, and
Where
pairs
is
are
the 8? Wait. Where is 8 plus 2?
because they're 10 and 8, and 10 minus 8 is 2.
Where did
And
you
they're
get this 8? I'm asking.
because they're 10 in all.
Yeah, there are 10 in all.
So, and I did because there are two pairs, and
Okay.
2 plus 8 is 10.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is 2 pairs. Okay, 8. But 8 is what? 8 what?
There are 8 others. There are 8 other
Okay.
fruits.
Okay, I got it. So 2 pairs. And how many in this 8? How do you split? There are 2 pairs. Very good job. We are done with this. Then what?
There are
Raja,
8 rest of the fruits.
yeah, there are 8 more fruits. What are those 8?
Some 5, 5 of the oranges.
5 orange. Ah, who said there are 5 oranges? That's not there. The rest are oranges. So first we need to understand what is this. and 3 more apples than pears. What does it mean? How many apples are there?
2 plus
Ah,
5.
2. Ah, so the number of apples is not 3. And 3 more. See, you have to convert every word. You see, English has such an importance in mathematics. 3 more apples than pears means you already put pears as 2. So 3 more is 5. So number of apples is 5. And then the rest are oranges. So we have accounted for 2. Then 5 apples we have accounted for. How many are remaining?
3.
3 oranges. So now, like this, you need to write down in your notebook. Just like that, you cannot stare at the ceiling and then you cannot just like that directly type. No, write it down and now you write the answers. From here, you can write the answer directly. What fraction of the fruit box is oranges? 3 out of 10. What fraction is pears? 2 out of 10. This is how you need to write to me. Urvi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a hard question, guys. Okay, how about this? Okay. 4 by 9, 2 by 9, 7 by 9, 1 by 9. Which is the greatest fraction in what I have written?
7 out of
Which one?
9.
Exactly. 7 out of 9 is the greatest.
7 out of
Now
9.
let me ask you this, okay? There's a 0, there's a 1. Okay? Okay. This is one whole. You can also represent it as a number line. Any fraction can be represented as a number line. Let's say I want to represent 2 by 5. What does it mean? One whole has been split into how many parts? One whole has been split into how many total parts?
5.
5. I have to split into 5 equal parts. I have to be fair when splitting. 5 equal parts. You got it? What are they
Yeah.
asking? Where is the second? I have to move to the second part. First part. First frog jump. Second frog jump. This is 2 out of 5. You all get it?
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
what is this?
2.
Hmm?
4. 4 out of
4
5.
out of 5. Then what is this?
5 out of 5. 5.
Is one whole. 5 out of 5 is one whole. Good job, Arjun Ram. Very nice. Mhm. Now, I'm going to ask you to arrange this. Can you arrange this? Do you know what is ascending order, guys? Do you know what is ascending order? Do you all know what is ascending, descending?
Yeah.
Okay, what is ascending?
Yeah.
Vidyash is saying something. What is ascending order?
Go too big.
Yep, go up. What is descending? Descending. When you're up there on a
Bigger
plane,
and
right?
smaller.
Pilot says we are going to
Bigger than
descend. We are going to
smaller.
come down.
Going
Yep,
down.
go down.
Bigger to
So I want,
small.
yeah, so I want you to arrange whatever is given in descending order. Can you arrange? Quick, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mata. Mhm. Okay, you're going to do this problem. The problem number is 3. Whenever you send the answer, see, these are small, small etiquettes we follow. Not only in this class, wherever you go, you have to follow this etiquette. When somebody gives you a question, right? Say the question number and then the answer. How will they ever know what is the question number? So go ahead and do that problem, okay? You have to use your notebook. Otherwise, you will go wrong in the questions that I ask you. Okay. If you complete 3, you can go to 4. Vindhyashri, good job on question number 3. I'm waiting for all other answers. Vindhyashri, you can go to question number 4. Yes, ma'am. Dave, you have your hand raised. I did not see. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Tell me.
I don't understand what descending means.
Oh, descending means, okay, when you're traveling to India, let's say, okay, you're up there in the air, okay, when your airport comes, right, airport is nearby, okay, will you be sitting up there? You have to descend. The pilot says we are about to descend. What does it mean? Descend means go down. So you're at a very high number. You have to come down. You got it? Coming down
Okay.
is descend. Down, descend. See? DD.
Okay.
Coming down is descend. So go from the biggest number to the smallest number, or the largest number to the smallest number. There is no number here. It's all fractions. Good job, Arjun Ram. You can keep going. Urvi, nice. You can go to the next problem. For Raja, I'm yet to get your answer. I'm not sure whether you understood. Done? You all do nicely, then we can go to addition of fractions, provided we finish this. So, fractions should all be equal part. Dave, correct. Can you go to the fourth question, Dave?
I don't see it.
You don't see it. On top, Sylvia took 2 by 10 of a
Yeah.
pie.
Oh, is it 2 out of 10 over there?
Yeah, Sylvia took 2 by 10 of a pie. She took the same amount of pie as Lex. Don took 1 by 10 of the pie and Josh took the rest. What fraction did Josh take?
I did both of my answers.
Arjun Ram, yes, I know. Raja, I'm not getting your answer. Is it okay? Can you do, or what are you doing? Vindhyashri, good job. Okay, looks like some of you are doing that. So I'm going to move on. Move on in the sense you have to finish your fourth problem and then only come to the next. Okay, you cannot move to the fifth problem unless you finish fourth. Okay, so now let me ask you this. You know, how do you add fractions there? Okay, that also you can figure it out by yourself. I don't need to say. You're going to pick and choose and tell me. Dave is, I don't think that's the answer. See, Dave, you're not reading. You have to read the question. See, second time I'm pointing that out, Dave. You're not reading it. If you can read that, that helps a lot. Read the question. Who are the members? Write it down. Don't stare and then just calculate mentally. Write down. Write it down. Same problem, Urvi. Urvi, that is not correct. You're also not reading. Second time I'm pointing that out. Did you write down who were the members who ate the pie? Can you show me your notebook? You guys are not fully reading the question. Read the question, write it down. I want to see who all you wrote down in your notebook. Can you read out? Dev or Urvi? What did you write? Sylvia took 2 by 10. Okay. Then who else were involved? Because English comprehension is more important than mathematics. Mathematics, even if you understand, you tend to make mistakes only when you don't understand the words that are given. Ah, good job, Dev. You corrected it? Did you correct it?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, now you got it right. See how useful it is to read? Okay, Arjun Ram. That is correct, Arjun Ram. But I want you to correct the fourth one, Arjun Ram. Arjun Ram, you also did not do the fourth one. You guys are not reading. The fourth one, you did not do it correctly. Huh? Wait. Yeah, fourth one, you did not do it correctly. Arjun Ram. Arjun Ram, I really want you to reread and correct. They've corrected it. I am waiting for the other corrections. Ah, okay. Vindhyashri, both are right. They both are right. Raja, where are your answers, Raja? For some reason, your audio is not working, like a Lisp language, right? I'm just finding how your mouth moves. What are you saying? Funny, right? Tell your mom that your audio is not working. I'm not able to hear you even if you unmute.
Still working.
Yes, now it's working. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay. I just need answers from Arjun Ram and Urvi on the fourth one. Urvi and Arjun Ram, shout out your answers. Shout out whatever you have. 3 guys.
5 out of
Uh,
10.
See,
Five.
why did you not read the first time? Which one did you miss the first time, Arjun Ram?
She took the same amount of
Lex.
pie as Lex.
So you missed out Lex, right?
Yeah.
Because the number is not given. See, oftentimes this is the problem. Meaning, it might be given in English that needs to be translated to mathematics. You cannot just like that leave. You cannot be unfair anytime when nobody is seeing too, right? So we have to be fair to the words given. You need to read every bit of it. Yeah, 5 out of 10. Good job, Burvi. Okay, now, how do you add 1 by 2? I'm sorry, I don't know 1 by 2 now. How do you add 1 by 9? I can't draw. How do you add 1 by 5 and 2 by 5? If I want to add the fractions, how do you add? Let me put it. Let's not come to the answers right now, okay? I'm going to draw a pie. Divide it to first, only when you draw, you'll understand this, okay? If you don't draw, you'll just say some answers. It's not, addition is different in fractions, okay? But when I draw it, you'll immediately say what is the answer. This is 1 out of 5. I'm adding this with this. What is this?
3 out of 5? 3 out.
Good job, guys. So you added this, you added this. Very nice. So it was 3 out of
5. 5.
5. You don't add this. That's very wrong. See, fractions, you add the number of pieces and then say total number of pieces in one whole. Total in one whole.
I was actually thinking of that.
You were thinking of that. That's good. See, the thing is only when you draw, you'll understand that 5 should be in the denominator. You cannot add just like that the numerators, and it's not like
Because-
that in fractions. Yeah, go ahead.
Because the 5 has to be like the biggest number, and the numerator has to be the smallest number.
That's true. Denominator is small. That's a proper fraction, but there are fractions like this. We'll talk about it later. We'll talk about it later. That's not the time now. You got it? But here to add the fractions, you're going to add the shaded parts and then write out the total number of parts in one whole. Because when you add 1/5 of the fraction to 2/5 of the fraction, you get only 3/5 of a whole. You got it? You
Yeah.
don't get more. You get only 3/5 of a whole. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, so you're going to read whatever questions I give in homework. You're going to read. Otherwise, you can't, because this as well. Please draw, guys. Please draw and tell me what is the answer. Please draw and then remove 5 parts and then tell me what is the answer. Please in chat. I'll give you one hard question, okay? You also draw for this one. I'm going to wait and watch who's going to say the correct answer for number 2. Number 1, I know everybody will tell the correct answer. Number 2 is where I will get to know who is really reading, who is really drawing, who is using the notebook. I will by myself discover that. When you draw, when you put it down on your notebook, then you will get the answer for number 2 without your mom's and dad's help. That's what I need. It's okay to go wrong. That also I'll tell you. Really okay to go wrong. I can help you. Yes, Dave, what is your question, Dave?
What does THS mean?
Good question. Okay, let me put it this way. THS means how many 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 fraction, right? 1/4, 1/4. How many 1/4 fractions are there in one whole? Can we write it like that? See, when I write 1/4, right? 1/4, right? So that's basically you call it as 1/4. FOR. Hey, I have a question, guys. 1/4 FOURTH. You will call it as 1/4 of a fraction. Please let me write down correctly. I don't want to make a mistake. 1/4, 1/5. That means the TH is always accompanying fractions. You got it?
Yeah.
That's why I put it like that. But you guys, if you don't understand, I just change it to how many 1/4 fractions. I'll change it a little bit.
3/9.
You're going to send it in chat. Arjun Ram, you cannot just say 3. 3 is a whole number. A fraction is different. I told you, right? If they take away JUN, they take away JUN from your name, will you keep quiet? The fraction will not keep quiet. It will say you are being unfair to that number. You cannot take away parts of your name. I want to spell it correctly. If I spell it incorrectly, it's wrong, right? It's not fair. So like that, you have to be fair to your fraction. You cannot answer a...
Wait.
Vindeshi, the first one is correct, ma. Arjun Ram.
I forgot.
Arjun Ram, what is the answer for first one? Shout it out. What is
1 dash, 3-9.
Yeah, 3/9. But your answer is different. Why?
I
You've
forgot
given
to
me
I forgot to add the 3. I thought it was a 1.
Okay. Urvi, the first one is correct. Raja, what is Raja got it? Okay. So basically, I'm saying I have 8 out of 9. In a pizza, I'm splitting up into 9 parts, right? I'm splitting up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. In that, I'm shading off 8 parts. So what do I have remaining? The remaining is 8/9. I'm shading 5, Amma. Sorry. I'll draw it correctly, guys. I don't want to. I am splitting up into 9 equal pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Of that, I'm shading off. I'm taking out. I'm removing 5 of the pieces. So what is remaining? You have 4 by 9. You got it? 4 by 9 is your answer. Now, coming to the second question, right? Coming to the second question, let me check first. Coming to the second question, right? Very good try. Most of you have given me answers as 3 by 4, which is incorrect. None of you have given it right because I did not go over that. How many 1 by 4 fractions? Now, you're going to figure out. Okay, I'm going to draw. You're going to figure out. Okay. How many 1 by 4 fractions are in one hole? This is my whole pizza. Okay. The shaded part is 1 by 4. How many of those are there is the question. How many of those are there in one hole? How many of the shaded parts are there in one hole? Who's going to shout? Shout the answer. Huh?
3.
There are how many in a
3.
hole?
The shaded part is 1 by 4. Like that, how many are there?
3.
3.
Only 3. What
Three
happened to
by
the shaded part? Huh?
4.
What happened to this? There are 4. 4 1 by 4s make up one hole. 4 by 4 is one hole, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 of those are there. Do you see?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let me ask you this. How many 1 by 5 fractions are there in two holes? Are there in two holes? Not one hole this time. Please draw two pieces. How many 1 by 5 parts are there? Who can tell me? I'm going to split this into. They're all equal parts, please. How many are there? Who can?
10.
Yeah, you.
10.
Good job. 10
10.
because
10.
in this one hole there are 5 1 by 5 fractions. In this one hole there are another 5 1 by 5 fractions. So that makes up 10. Now, how about this? 1 by 9 greater less than 7 by 9. What sign will go there, ma? Which sign goes there?
Shall we put in the chat?
The left.
Yeah, shout out, ma. Shout out. Which sign? This. A, B, C.
C.
Less than.
B. 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 B.
Less than.
What is that? Less
Less
than.
than.
Good job. Good job. Yes. B. Good job. Good job, Nilesh.
B.
Yeah,
B.
yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay. Let me ask you this. On this number line, right? What is this fraction? What is that mile mark? This is a marker, right? What is this marker? What fraction does a marker stand for? If this is from 0 to 1, what marker does it stand for? Find out what is the total. Go frog jump and see what is the total. One hole has been split into how many parts? And this marker is at what marker?
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5 because one hole has been split into 5 total parts. 5 is your total number of parts. But the arrow is sitting at the fourth marker. You got it?
Yeah.
From 0, if I go there, I would have covered 4 out of 5 total
5.
frog jump. Yes. Okay. Now, let me do this. 5 by 6 is smaller than this in chat, ma. This in chat is smaller than, but greater than 4 by 6. 5 by 6 is smaller than what and greater than what?
Six out of 6.
Yup, 6 out of 6. Good job. Urvi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Hmm?
6 by 6.
Okay, can you tell me what pattern is this? Can you tell me what number comes next in the pattern? What number, what fraction comes next in the pattern?
6. Six.
Six out of 10.
6 by 10. 6 out of 10.
Good
6
job,
by
Urvi
10.
and Arjun Ram. Very nice. Urvi and Arjun Ram. Very nice.
Uh,
Good.
Priya,
Yeah.
this is Deepika, Arjun's mom.
6 by 10.
He has a doctor appointment at 3. I am pulling him out.
Yep. Absolutely okay. But I want two questions from you.
Yeah.
We are thinking of, I'll be very quick with this. Okay. This is
Sure.
what I wanted to meet at the end. I'll be very quick. One is the books. Okay.
Mhm.
I want to go, meaning, what are your thoughts as parents, right? I want to know what do you want. At the same time, I have some lessons planned. Okay. Meaning, I want to go with the beast curriculum. Okay.
Mhm.
Having said that, I don't want to take the kids directly into the beast curriculum and make them suffer as well. I want them to slowly transition to the beast curriculum.
Okay.
Beast curriculum has 4 books, right? So
Mhm.
can we go ahead with the beast curriculum, or do you want first the school topics to be covered and then move on to the beast curriculum? Then in that case, we may not be able to cover full of it, but then we'll cover most of it. Are you okay with it?
I
Okay,
think
this is
I'm
on the
good.
books.
Yeah,
You're good
because
with what?
yes, good with the score curriculum followed by Beast most of it, because I don't want to rush him through and skip the
Okay,
understanding of the basics ideally.
okay. I'll take each of your feedback and then I'll come back to you and post in the WhatsApp group. Okay, number one. Number two, I am looking at Tuesday or Wednesday evenings to make it work for this class.
Yeah,
Probably Tuesday evenings, like around 7 to 8 or something of that sort.
is Wednesday something in an option? Because I think Tuesday he usually has a the soccer practice classes, but
Wednesday is an option right now. Wednesday is an option.
yeah, I would vote
Thank
for
you.
Wednesday if you think that's something possible. You can consider that.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Tuesday or Wednesday I can accommodate one class. Yeah. I will consult with the other parents. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you so much. You can go, please. I don't want to delay you in the appointment for the appointment. Go ahead.
Thank you so much, Priya.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Guys, we'll stop here on this. I really wanted the 2 questions to be answered by your parents. Can I quickly check with your parents? Selvi, are you okay with the 2 things that we discussed? Beast, we'll go ahead.
Priya,
Yeah, go
sorry,
ahead.
Priya. Just now I came. So just now I came, Priya. So I don't know what
Okay.
it is.
Okay, two
Sorry.
things. 2 things that I want to discuss because it's the end of summer, right? From
Yeah.
next week, we'll moving on to the fall, right? So that way
Yeah.
we have some targets as well for these kids. Okay. So summer, I really wanted them to have a head start with their school syllabus. Okay. We did that. Okay. But
Okay.
we are in fractions. There are more. Okay. I'm pretty much clear with what the group knows. Okay. The group is not fully accelerated, but at the same time, if exposure is given, they are accelerating. That's what I'm saying. So
Okay.
that being the case, right? Do you want to, meaning there are more in the grade, upcoming grade, there are more stuff to be covered. You got
Okay.
it? Meaning grade 2 has a lot more to be covered. It's not just fractions. There's more geometry. There's more number of things to be covered in their core curriculum. Okay, but
Okay.
my problem is if we just jump on to the beast, they may lose the foundations as well. Okay, I don't want them to lose the foundation. So what I thought was I can definitely do the foundations very quickly than school. Okay, then we can go to the beast books. However, my bigger problem is I may not be able to complete all the beast books, but I would push on finishing all what is in the beast books. But there are 4 books. Usually, how I plan out August to October 1 book, October to December 1 book, January to March 1 book, and March to May 1 book. That's how I plan. But if I'm going to bring the core curriculum in, make them have the foundation, then go, we may end up in losing some of the topics in the beast book. You see what I mean?
Yeah, Priya, even I am suggesting that, that way the kids can be good. Like, I like the Singapore math and beast as you discussed. I'm good with that. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that rather than see what I did, what I was doing in the previous year was I was directly going to the Beast book. What I'm seeing is Beast is great, the curriculum is great, but some of they're not reading. You see, again and again they make mistakes. So I felt like it, but I will get the consensus of everybody as well. Okay.
I am
And
good.
with
I
the
am good,
class.
Priya. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm good.
second question, class timing, Wednesday or Tuesday? See,
Uh,
Wednesday. Can we go Wednesday?
at what time, Priya?
At what time? Wednesday. I think,
Raja is
I
like,
think
Raja is busy at 5 to 5:30 and 6:30 to 7 to 8. So
7
he's
is the
not
only
available
possibility for
from
me.
5 to 5. Yeah. Thursday works better.
I don't have Thursdays. Only possibilities are Tuesday or Wednesday.
Tuesday at what time, Priya?
Tuesday say I have to say,
Raj
right? Give me a minute. I
yeah,
will
yeah.
say. Give me a minute though.
Sure.
I don't remember. If you ask me like this, I honestly don't remember, but I'll tell you. Tuesday. What time? 5:45. 5:45 Tuesday. 6:45. Maybe 7 or 6:45 is okay. 6:45. 6:45 we can do. 6:45 or 6:50 we can do. 6:50.
So Raja has class on Tuesday 7 to 8 and Wednesday 7 to 8. So
Oh,
Tuesday earlier he can do it, like 5:30
I
or
have, I have,
5:40.
I have classes on both the days earlier.
Uh,
You
do
see
you have
what I mean?
anything?
Okay, we'll discuss offline with you. I have
Sure.
no other go but to have. See, that's why I thought Tuesday or Wednesday. You see, I will put out in the group as well. Don't worry. We will
Okay.
come to a conclusion like we always do, right? There's always a
Yeah.
problem with two classes at the end. We'll see about the group. Okay, just a note. Okay, we'll see.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
I
Priya.
got clarification. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dave, you, yeah, Urvi's dad. How about you, Urvi's dad?
Uh,
Uh,
I think she has the class on Tuesday, Wednesday, but you said timing depends upon what time that day it matters.
6:45.
6:45 on Tuesday
Mm.
and Wednesday, what is time?
Say, Wednesday, what is the time? Yeah, same thing we can do. 7, 7. Wednesday means 7.
7 p.m. Yeah, Wednesday 7 p.m. works for Urvi. And Tuesday from 6:30, before 6:30 is okay. After 6:30, she's busy. Why don't you do one thing like post it on the WhatsApp group or poll
Yeah,
something?
yeah, I
So
will.
based on that, we can
Definitely, I
decide.
will. Definitely, I will. Wednesday at 7 really works for me too, rather than Tuesdays. Okay. Okay, I'll put it out. Definitely. Okay, I'm just trying to understand. At least most of you are accepting, then we'll go with that. Okay, I'll try to align the others.
Okay.
Okay, one other option is, I don't know, Sunday. If I give it's a problem. We'll stick with Wednesdays. I'll put it out in the group as well. Okay, thank you so much. And on the curriculum, right?
Curriculum,
Uh,
I mean, I really don't know which, like, no, I think one, like what you said, right? She's really bad at reading the comprehension, the English to the thing. That's
uh-huh.
what she's struggling with. Math, she's doing very well, but with the, converting English to math is where she's struggling. So I think whichever helps
That
in that.
see there the Singapore math the base helps. Okay, if we
Okay.
yeah we'll do this. I'll try to finish as fast as we can with respect to their core grade, core curriculum, and then we'll move on. But my only problem is you have to be accepting the fact that we'll not be able to complete all of the books in Beast Academy. You see what I mean? We'll do what best we can. That I'll definitely do. I want to complete all. So I
Okay.
don't want to commit to it
No, I was like,
because
I don't care whether it's finished or not, but the only thing is
okay,
I
okay,
want her foundations to be strong.
okay, okay,
So
got
that's
it.
one.
I see it. I see it. All the parents are inclining towards that, not for the completion of Beast is what I am seeing till now, till I talk to you. So I'll talk to the other two as well. I'll come back. Yeah. Okay. I'll plan it out and send it to you in the welcome email. Okay. Yep. Thanks a lot. Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay. How about Dave's mom is not here. Vindesh's mom is around?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Hi. One question. Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday works for most of us. Does Wednesday work?
Yeah, that works for us, ma'am. Yeah.
Wednesday works. Okay. Wednesday like 7.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool.
6:30 to
Okay.
after 6:30, anytime is fine.
Okay. We'll definitely do. Thank you.
Yeah.
Second one is the curriculum. For
Yeah,
her,
as I mentioned previously, like, right, she moved here recently, so she's adopting the teaching formats and the techniques. So I
but
also
she's doing pretty well.
yes.
You moved
So
from India, you said, right?
yes,
Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Okay.
yeah. So I would prefer that you first cover the basic concepts. So I don't know about these things like
Yes, okay. I will get you introduced. Okay. I'll send a
yeah,
detailed email. You can read that and understand. Okay. This is a
yeah.
good one. 100%. It's amazing. Okay. Kids in this group, they can scale up as well. Otherwise, I would not have even talked to you about it. Unless the kids, I am confident that these kids can scale up. Even if there's one kid that can't, I would not talk.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll
Yeah,
split them separately. You see?
sure.
But in this group, things are okay. And there's one another kid joining that kid can do as well that I already tested. So that is why I introduced. But the thing is, if we go directly, we cannot do these grinding work in whatever we are doing. Okay. So we'll
Yeah,
finish this and then move on there. Okay.
yeah. That's
But
good.
but you have to be accepting the fact that we cannot complete all the four books
That's
by
okay.
May.
That's fine. That's
Yeah,
fine.
whatever is left, what you can do is do it with them. Wherever
Oh,
we are skipping, right? Do it with them and come back with questions.
sure. We'll do that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Done. Yeah. Dave, how about you? Your mom is there?
Yeah.
Can
Should I
she
go
talk now?
colors? Should I
Yeah.
go
See whether
colors?
she's in meetings. Yeah. Yeah. If she's in meetings, we can talk later.
On a meeting.
Okay. Then call. Yes. Right now. A bunch of homework questions are coming to you guys, but nicely do, guys. Okay. Split and do every day. Dave's mom, sorry to disturb you amidst a Friday afternoon. Okay, couple of things. I'll be very quick. One is the day of the class, Wednesday evening at 7. Does it work?
Wednesday evening, 7 should be good. Yeah.
Okay, great. Second thing, the curriculum. You are aware of the beast nicely, I know. Okay, so he's doing the online as well, which is great. Okay, he's doing great
Yeah.
actually. So that being the case, right? Um, um, can we finish up? Meaning the thing is, we can just write off start beast and finish the four books. That's the meaning. If we plan on that, we'll be able to complete it. However, I really want them to be able to with Dave as well. Particularly, I'm seeing that it helps to do word problems more. So I want to finish the base core curriculum with Singapore math problems and then do beast. Only thing I'm
Okay.
concerned is there might be some topics which we will miss. In the sense, I cannot commit to complete all the four books to its entirety by May.
Mm-hmm.
You
So,
see,
which four
I
books you're saying, Priya?
beast,
Like
beast.
Beast.
You know,
Okay.
yeah, you know the curriculum, right?
He's just doing grade 2 in Beast
Yeah,
Academy. Yeah, online.
every everything has four parts.
Okay, because
Go into
I
it
just
and check.
saw
Okay, it'll have four parts.
I see. There are chapters, so I think
There are
he's on
there are
chapter.
12, right? 12 is divided
Yeah,
into four parts. Three,
I
three.
see. Okay, okay.
Okay. So the thing is, yes, he can always keep doing that. He'll be on top, but at the same time, I'll try to. The thing is, how it works is the curriculum. If we keep doing every year, right? Automatically, if we miss one in one, we can catch up in the next as well. That is there. I'm positively thinking of doing that only for them because if I commit to everything, it's a pressure on me. You see what I mean? Commit.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll finish the core
No, my
curriculum. The
only
kids
question
also are
is
under pressure to do.
like, will it be confusing or it will be like just a few topics missed from Beast?
It will
Or
be
will
a
it?
few top. No,
Okay, no, but it's not
there are no
confusing, right?
connection.
Mm, like
Come
between
again.
those two different math streams, Beast Academy and Singapore Math, I'm just worried that they should not get confused between different concepts or like the ways they have to do the questions. It should
They
be
won't.
same. Hmm.
If the conceptual understanding is clear, irrespective of methods followed, they should be able to follow math.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
I do see so many parents coming up with, oh, school is doing in a different method and stuff. That happens only when the kids go with, hey, this problem is given, I'll do this way. If they
Mm,
memorize that, automatically, if the methods change, they'll get confused. Whereas if they really understand the concept, irrespective of the method, they have to catch up and everything should fall in place. You see what See, this happens with some of the kids for sure. Okay. That
Yeah.
happens when the kid understands it like, oh, this particular type of problem, I'll do it in this way. They have that in their brains. If it
Mm-hmm.
changes, right, or if the method of solving it changes, they get confused, or if the kind of problem changes, they don't know how to do. But
Yeah.
we will not go with that. See, these are very small kids that can be molded into any way.
Yeah.
But
So it will be,
Singapore math,
yeah.
no, I'm not going to cover all of Singapore math or anything of that stuff. Just the basic grind we'll do
Okay. Okay.
and finish the core curriculum, their grade 3 curriculum completely nicely. We'll be fast and then get to Beast and then quickly do the Beast books in an expedited way. But at the same time, we don't want to finish all the 12 chapters. Okay, maybe we'll do 10 and leave out 2. The
Okay.
2 left
So
over, we
this
can
you are
catch up in
talking
Beast
for
3.
like these this you are talking like for how many months it will go? Like it's the whole
Till May
year
it will,
plan
hmm,
or whole year? Okay.
yeah, the whole year. Like you do for Advay, right? Full of algebra 1 year, full of
Yeah.
geometry 1 year,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like that, these kids do Beast.
Okay. So how long are you planning to go with Singapore, and then when can we expect
When
to?
okay. Yeah. See, the thing is, if we are ready with the books, and I won't ask you for the books for another 1 month. Okay, you guys need to have time as well. But so once you buy, right? What I thought was, I'll finish the topics. I'll finish 5 topics in this, right? Then go as a grind. The kids tend to forget, right? As a spiral review, I'll assign the homework from the beast. You see, on the same topics covered here. That way,
Okay.
if we go, it's easier for them as well to remember things than to
Oh,
forget.
okay.
Makes
So
sense?
right now he is doing only online. You're saying we'll need to buy the physical books as well, right?
Ah, that's a good idea. That's a good thought you're bringing up for which I don't have an answer. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. I prefer books.
Books, okay. Because right
I
now it's
prefer
only
books. I am
online.
not
He's not
pushing you to
reading.
buy both. Yeah, I know. As a parent, I cannot answer this. Okay. I prefer
Mm.
books definitely.
Okay, because
The,
we didn't buy books yet. We
I
just
know.
do it online.
Yeah. But online as well, you're with me, right? So I can see what he's doing. No problem at all.
Okay. Okay, okay.
However, however, I prefer books. Books tell
Okay.
you what he studied, what he knows, but I'm not pushing you again. You guys decide and tell me whether that is affordable, it is worth it, then you buy. I'm not
Yeah,
pushing. If
okay.
you only want to do, there are some parents who say no, let him do only online. It depends on your family's priorities.
Okay, fine.
I
Yeah, got
prefer, from my end, I recommend, highly suggest only books.
okay.
Why? Because he's a little kid still.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Either the online is very inviting, no doubt. Okay, kids are so
Yeah.
excited to do the beast
Yeah,
on the
he's
online.
enjoying Beast Academy. Yeah, he's doing
And
it
for
by
that matter, you're with me as well, so I clearly will know what he does.
okay.
But you're going to decide and tell me, please.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
homework will be from the books.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I can give them online, but see, the kids are too small to be doing
Mm,
everything online as well.
yeah, yeah. No, I agree. I agree.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, that's right. Okay, but yeah, the decision is
Okay.
yours. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you,
yeah.
Priya.
Bye
Thanks so
bye.
much.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Anything else, Mauri? Did you have a question? Or your dad had a question? Nothing? Okay. Then I'll put out a poll in the group. Okay. Okay, guys. Nice meeting you all. Bye, guys. See you all next week. Come on. Yes.